Excuse me, sir. Do you need any help?
I'm just looking.
You sure? Sir, is there anything I can help you find?
You got any Bubba trucks on the lot?
Bubba trucks?
Bubba trucks.
I'm not sure what you're talking about.
Bubba truck. It's right here. You work here?
Yes, sir.
It's right here, the Bubba truck.
Ah.
Bubba truck. Yep.
What makes it a Bubba truck?
Hey, I'm about to tell you. Let's review.
Sir, what are you doing?
Yep, it's a Bubba. I had to make sure it's a Bubba truck. Yep, it's Bubba. That's what I want right here. Akins Ford. Why would it? I saw it on the window sticker over there. Hey, it's a Bubba truck because, like my son told me, Bubba trucks, stock wheels, and lifted. Starter kit. Starter kit because no brush guard, no exhaust, bed cover. It's a Bubba truck. So I'm out here looking at the Akins Ford and the Wild Willies. There, hey, heard a lot about them. Wow, I'm kind of a wild guy too. But we're looking for a Bubba truck for a long time. They said come to Wild Willies, Akins and Winder for Bubba trucks. So here we go. So let's review. I can see it. Ready lift, 3.5 inch SST kit. It's a mid-level lift. So Bubba trucks can be wild or mild, but gotta have a stock wheel. Gotta have the stock wheel for it to be a Bubba truck. We got this right here. Hey, for all y'all don't know, the 285 6520, it's a 35, okay? 285 6520 on a Bubba truck, 35s. We got black. Hey, gotta have the 5-liter V8 on the Bubba truck because we're gonna put us we'll buy this truck. We'll put a Flowmaster, Magna Flow maybe, out here on the back. Brush guard, ranch hand on there too. Legend. Ranch hand legend on the front. Hey, these boys here do a lot of paint match on the, may even do that too. But hey, Bubba truck starter pack. What these boys here got. Hey, Clay, your name Clay?
Yes, sir.
You gonna send me this truck, boy?
Of course, yes, sir.
You heard me. I told you I was just looking out there. But that's what we always say is the customers just looking. But hey, they say they're looking. They looking to buy something. Remember that, okay, youngin?
Yes, sir.
All right.
I'll put that one in the memory
But,
bank.
hey, Bubba truck, 302A is what they call it.
Yes, sir.
I don't know what it means. I just know it's got a lot of good stuff in that 302A XLT and 50 Coyote V8. Hey, we got the LEDs right here because you gotta have them LEDs on the Bubba truck. May even put the lights in the wheel right here too, rock lights. But for now, we got the entry-level Bubba truck. All right, 3.5 inch kit. Hey, come here, look at this thing right here. Look right here. I'm buying Mary Frank Charlie 17954. Hey, these good old boys right here at Wild Willies. Look, hey, that looks like my granddaddy right there. Look, you got all this option and equipment. Look, 69,355. Hey, I'm gonna get a better price than that today.
Yeah, I think
I
we
ain't
get
here to be haggling around. And you're your best price right now. All right, we'll go inside and talk about this Bubba truck.
Yes, sir.
All right, and they say it's a covert, so it must be a Bubba truck covert. That's what you need to start calling it. Whoever that youngin' is that's doing these videos, you need to tell them this needs to be Bubba.
Real deal?
Bubba covert.
I'll let Real Deal know.
I don't know nothing about him. Look, all right, so we got all these options. We got the 36-gallon fuel tank and the 360 camera and the auto start. I don't like that auto start. Hey, can you take that auto start stop off there? I don't like that stuff. You come to that stop sign and it just cuts off. That's
no problem.
That should be against the law, okay? I don't want my alternator going out too fast because of the auto start stop. You tell them Ford people to take that off them trucks. Out here on the inside, got this big old touch screen. I'm hooking my trailer up my Bubba truck. This thing got a key in it.
Yes, sir.
Sure does. So I got this big old 12-inch screen for backup, so we can see everything behind. Hey, ain't got no. Granddaddy used to tear up a lot of trucks, hooking his trailer up in the back. Hell, he must be there. So got no excuse to tear it up. Got to tell my boy he's about to turn time to drive. If he's driving my Bubba truck, he gonna be in big trouble. He hit this thing. Got that big old 12-inch HD out there. Hey, come on here, back. Look, we got the wheel lighters in the back. We're gonna go off-road in Oglethorpe County. We're gonna get mud up under there. We just wash it right, hose it right out. They say these ridge grappers aren't, I like a loud tire though. You may have to change these tires for me. I like them a little bit louder. These ain't that loud.
Okay.
Pretty good tire though. All right, back here.
Oh.
I thought it was gonna fall down and hit me. That thing pretty smooth. I like that. That's pretty cool. Hey, they say my son said that to make sure the Bubba truck's got the tailgate step, because you know I'm getting old and it's hard to get up in here to get the firewood. So we got the tailgate step, and we got this 2 kilowatt on board. And the camper power goes out while we're deer hunting. We got power right there. Yep. We got the Akins liner in here. Yep. All right, let's come around here. I think what I've done so far, I should get about 20 grand off of this truck for the good display and walk around, and the branding of the new name of the Covert with the stock wheels is the Bubba truck. Thank y'all for watching.